Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will discuss about ascending and descending order of fractions. So first we will understand that what we mean by ascending order and descending order. Ascending means going up. This is ascending. Like 1, 2, 3. When we are moving from smallest to biggest. So when we are writing numbers from smaller to bigger, that is called ascending order. While descending is coming down. 4, 3, 2, 1. So we are coming down here. We are going up and coming down. Like from the biggest one, we will go to the smaller one. Bigger to smaller. This is descending order. Now we'll do some questions based on this. Suppose you have to write the ascending order of 3 by 9, 1 by 9, 6 by 9 and 5 by 9. Whenever your denominators are same, so you will check only the numerators. From the numerators, with the help of numerators, you will write the ascending order. So it means firstly smallest one will come. So ascending order will be smallest is 1 by 9, after 1 3 by 9, then 5 by 9 and then 6 by 9. Similarly descending of this will be 6 by 9, first the biggest one, then smaller and smallest. This is when your denominators are equal, denominators are same. If your numerators are same, then how we can write ascending and descending order? Like you are having numerators as these we are having. When your numerator is same, at that time, which number is having the biggest number, that will be the smaller one. This is the smallest one. So you will write ascending order as smallest one is 7 by 16. Then after that 7 by 15. Then 7 by 10. Then 7 by 9. So which is having smaller denominator, that is the biggest one. For descending, first you will write the biggest one is 7 by 9, then 7 by 10, then 7 by 15 and then 7 by 16. Now we'll see that if we are not having denominator same or numerator same, then how we can solve. Let us take one question. Question is arrange these fractions in ascending order. So here you can see that the numerators are not same, denominators are also not same. So at that time you will make their denominator same firstly by taking the LCM of denominators. So first you will find LCM of these denominators divided by 2. 2 will get 1 and 5. Again by 2, 5, 1, 1 and 5. Then again by 5, it will be 1. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 5, which is 20. So now you have to make all the denominators 20 by putting them into the equivalent form, as we have done equivalent fractions. Now see, 5 multiplied by 4 will give you 20. So multiply numerator and denominator by 4. 4 5s are 20, so here by 5. 2 10s are 20, so here by 10. And 5 4s are 20, so here This will become 15 by 20, this will be 10 by 20, and this will be 12 by 20. After that, you have to mark their ascending order. For ascending order, this is the smallest one, so mark here 1. Then 2 number will be this, 3rd number is this, and 4th is this. So what is the ascending order? Ascending order will be, first number is for the first fraction. This is the first fraction. So first you will write from the question 2 by 5. Then second one is third fraction, 1, 2, 3. So third in this question is 1 by 2. Third fraction is last one. So this is 3 by 5. And last is, the biggest one is second one. So that is 3 by 4. So this is your ascending order. From here you can see that how we can write descending order of this. For descending, up to here you will do same. Then after that, for descending, first you will write the biggest one. So this will be your first one, second will be this, third will be this, and fourth will be this. So what is the first fraction? Second one, this. So descending order will be 3 by 4, first one, second will be last 3 by 5, next will be third is this 1 by 2, and fourth is the first one 2 by 5. This is our descending order.